Now we will learn about more about variable declaration in PHP. So one other thing which we need to keep in mind is that a variable in PHP either starts with underscore or starts with the alphabet. So we'll just type one sample of it. So here we have the our starting PHP tag, and then we will have a variable, let's say 1 ASDF equals to God. Now we will just close this, and now we will save the file and we will just run it. So let's see how it looks like. So now we can see that there is an error which says syntax error, unexpected 8, expected value, or expecting variable, or dollar. So what happened was, this is not the right way to declare a variable, and that's why it showed an error. But if we will just remove the 8 out of it, so it will show nothing because the variable has been declared. So we can just check if it happened or not. So we will just type echo and then the variable name. Now we will refresh, and it says that unexpected end of file. So whenever we end any statement, we have to include a semicolon, or else it will show an error. So now it should work perfectly fine. So now refreshing it, now it says unexpected greater than symbol because there is no dollar symbol. So we have to keep in mind that syntaxes are to be followed religiously, or else it will keep on showing error till the time you have followed all the syntaxes in a perfectly nice way. So now we can see that we have got over there. Now we have tried that, and now if we will include a capital letter in our variable, then what will happen? So it says that undefined variable SDF because we didn't really declare that. So now it's fine. So one other thing which we learned is the variable's name should start with a character, but it doesn't matter if it is in lower caps or the capital. Now if we'll use any special character in the variable's name, then let's see what kind of error it shows. And over here we will also include that, and now we are saving the file, and it says unexpected equals to. It's because, again, this is not a syntax. The syntax is to have a variable's name which can either have underscore or can have characters in the beginning. Now we can see that it's alright. Now if we will include numbers in variable's name, then let's see what happens. 1 2 3 1 2 2 3 4, saving the file and refreshing it, and we don't have any error. So now refreshing it, yeah, so there is no error. So you can't have any number in the beginning, but you can have it in the end or in between. Also it doesn't depend on the case of the variable's name. So in case you have like this, so now it says that, so the name of the variable is case sensitive, so you need to have exactly same variable's name when you are calling it. So now we have discovered multiple rules. Rule number 1 says that always have either underscore or the character or alphabet. Also, the variable's name is case sensitive. You can't have numbers in the beginning but can have numbers in the end. So now we have commented these things, these statements, so that you can always get to know about it. So now we have learned about the things which we should keep in mind while declaring a variable. Thank you for watching the tutorial.